This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert words to documents easily. Many people frequently need to transform plain text into a structured document format. This process ensures your content is universally accessible and maintains its intended formatting across various devices. It is a straightforward skill that can significantly enhance your digital workflow, making your information much more professional and manageable. We will explore several simple methods today. Online conversion tools provide a convenient and immediate solution for transforming your text into documents. Websites such as Zamzar or Online Convert allow you to upload your file with just a few clicks. After selecting your output format, like a doc or docx, the conversion typically takes less than 1 minute. You then simply download your newly formatted document, ready for use, without needing any special software. For more control, you can use dedicated word processing software already on your computer. Open your text file directly in an application like Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, or even Google Docs. Once open, simply navigate to the File menu and select Save As or Download As. You can then choose your preferred document type, such as a docx file, ensuring all your styling and formatting are preserved perfectly. To ensure a smooth conversion process, always take a moment to review your newly created document. Check for any unexpected formatting changes, especially with complex layouts or images. When handling sensitive information, it is generally safer to use established desktop software rather than public online tools. Remember that choosing the right method, whether online or offline, depends on your specific needs and how quickly you require the final document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.